Top 10 animals with longest lifespan. Number 10. Koi fish. They can live for an impressive 25 to 35 years in the right conditions. Some have been reported to live even longer. Number 9. Macaw. They are known for their long lives, which can extend to 60 years or more in captivity. Number 8. African elephant. They have a lifespan of approximately 60 to 70 years in the wild, and they can live even longer in captivity. Number 7. Longfin eel. These eels can live for up to 100 years, and they are native to New Zealand and Australia. Number 6. Seychelles giant tortoise. These tortoises have a lifespan of over 100 years and are native to the Seychelles Islands. Number 5. Galapagos giant tortoise. These tortoises can live for more than 100 years and are known to reach up to 150 years in captivity. They are native to the Galapagos Islands. Number 4. Red sea urchin. Red sea urchins have a remarkable lifespan of up to 200 years, making them one of the longest-lived marine creatures. Number 3. Bowhead whale. Bowhead whales are known for their incredible longevity, with some individuals living for over 200 years. Number 2. Rough-Eye rockfish. Rough-Eye rockfish can live for more than 205 years, and they are found in the North Pacific Ocean. Number 1. Greenland shark. Living in the cold waters of Greenland, these sharks have the longest known lifespan among vertebrates, ranging from 300 to 500 years.